In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Drive sharing. If you've given someone access to a file or folder and want to take that access back, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it clearly and confidently without changing or deleting the file itself. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account that owns the file or has permission to manage its sharing. Take a moment to find the exact file or folder you want to update. It can help to use the search bar or switch to list view if you prefer seeing more details at once. Once you've located the item, right-click on it and choose Share. This opens the sharing window where you'll see a section labeled People with Access. Think of this as the guest list for your file or folder. Everyone shown here currently has permission to open it, and their roles, like viewer, commenter, or editor, are listed next to their names. To remove someone, look to the right of their name for a small drop-down or role indicator. Click that drop-down next to the person's name. Among the options, select Remove Access. This action immediately prepares to revoke their permission to view or edit the item. If you don't see the option to remove someone, it usually means you don't have the necessary rights to change sharing for that file or folder. In that case, you'll need to contact the owner. After selecting Remove Access for the person or people you want to take off the list, click Save to confirm your changes. This final step applies your updates and ensures that the removed person can no longer open the file or folder. If you removed someone by mistake, don't worry. You can always come back to the same share window later and add them again. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Double-check that you're editing the correct item, especially if you maintain multiple copies or similarly named files. For folders, removing someone here also stops their access to the items inside, which is useful if you're organizing shared projects. And if you're updating access for several people, repeat the same drop-down and remove access process for each person before hitting save. That's it. Open Google Drive, right-click and share, review, people with access, remove the person, and save. Simple, direct, and effective for regaining control over who can see your content.